Have you ever had a prospect tell you no? Well, I have, and I found that there's two main reasons why a prospect will tell you no. Coming up. What's up everybody, Chris Martinez here, and welcome to the YouTube channel High Ticket Window Cleaning, where we're all about increasing our average ticket price by attracting high-end clients and closing high ticket sales. Today, we're talking about the two reasons a residential prospect will tell you no. Before we get into that first reason, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment below, and ring the bell so that way you get notified when the next video comes out. So, reason number one a prospect tells you no is, well, you're simply talking to the wrong customer. Not every customer is your perfect customer. You've probably heard me say this before. There's two types of companies with two types of customers. The value mill customer and the valuable customer. The valuable company and the value mill company. If you're a valuable company that sells off of value and not price, and tries to sell off of a customer that is a value mill customer that buys off of price and not value, you'll never sell that customer unless you lower your price. That's why it's so important to know who your customer is so you're not marketing to the wrong prospects. Now, you're probably asking, what if I'm a valuable company talking to valuable customers and they still tell me no? Well, that brings up reason number two. If you're a valuable company talking to valuable customers and they still tell you no, well, you simply haven't added enough value to them to buy from you. Or the company they went with just simply added more value than you did. So the two reasons a prospect's gonna tell you no is, well, you're simply talking to the wrong customer, or you simply just didn't add enough value. I did a whole video on, I don't sell cleaning services, I sell value. I'll put the description up here in the corner, and I'll also put it below in the description box, so that way you can get some ideas on how to add more value to your valuable customers. All right, so here's your homework for today. I want you to go back for this last week and look at all the prospects that told you no. And I want you to ask yourself, one, is this my perfect customer? And two, did I sell to them in a way that added so much value that they wanted to say yes? They needed to say yes. It would make them feel almost dumb to say no. Again, go watch that video on how we can give you some ideas to add more value to that prospect when giving them a quote. By doing this, it's going to help you understand two things: who you're marketing to and how you're selling to them. And by knowing these two things, you'll know how to improve on who you're marketing to, which you want to be marketing to your perfect customer, not price shoppers and tire kickers, but people that buy off value and not price, and how to sell to them, how to add so much value to them. That's your homework assignment today. Just do those two things, and I guarantee you'll get closer to attracting high-end clients and closing high-ticket sales. Well, if you've gotten any value out of this video, please do hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment below as I love to engage with you, and also ring the bell so that way you get notified when the next video comes out. That's all I have for you today, and as always, take care and I'll see you on the next video.